Hi guys, it's social distancing week. We're answering your questions about Profound RF. The next question comes from Mitch in St. Albert, and he asks, can men get the Profound RF procedure? Absolutely, Mitch. It's for men and women, dogs as well, joking. But it's for either sex, and the results are consistent. How much does Profound RF cost? This is from Alison in Edmonton. Alison, it really depends upon your face, the area, how much time it's going to take us. The best thing is to come in for an individual consultation and we will go through the prices with you. Nicole from Edmonton is asking, are the results of Profound RF permanent? Yes, they are, Nicole. You're producing your own intrinsic collagen and elastin. Once it's yours, it's yours. It's not going to diminish like a dermal filler. Caitlin from Edmonton is asking, how long does the procedure take? Depending upon what area you're having treated, Caitlin, approximately 1 to 2 hours. Okay, Miriam from Stony Plain is asking, what areas can you have Profound RF on? Miriam, there's 2 handpieces to Profound. There's a dermal component and a sub-Q component. The dermal component is for skin tightening and to remove the wrinkles around the skin of any parts of the body. And the second part is the sub-Q treatment, which treats cellulite and fatty deposits. It melts fat and also dissipates cellulite as well. In some areas like Los Angeles, some of my colleagues, there are patients who are coming in having it done on every part of their body under general anesthetic. I don't normally recommend this, but technically speaking, it can be performed to any area of skin or soft tissue. So for more information on Profound RF, check out thesharmaclinic.com. Have a great week.